Special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us their Wake Up Light. This is an alarm clock and night light all in one. And how this alarm clock works is you're able to set your time, set your alarm, and 30 minutes before your alarm goes off, the light starts to gradually cut on to help wake you up more naturally. It can also be used as a night light where that it'll stay on for 10, 30, 60 minutes and gradually have the light go off for when you're going to bed. Now there's 7 different light colors, 7 different ring tones. You can actually see here on the bottom the different colors: sleep light, LED multicolor, natural alarm music, digital clock, touch control bedside lamp, and wake up light. Another picture of it, the A200. Nothing over here. Let's open it up. All right, so inside of the box, looks like your power cable is there. Wow, that's it for the box. And so here is the actual night light. Your time would display right here on the front. This is some of the tap settings that's talking about on the top. Power cable plugs in the back, and on the bottom is your speaker, as well as how you can adjust your time, set your alarms, etc. And in this little box, that's it for that, is the user's guide for your wake up light alarm clock on you how to set the alarms and all that kind of stuff. And then your included needed proprietary power cable. This is a 70-inch power cable, so it's almost 6 feet long, which should be plenty to plug into your power outlet and reach your light. So we're going to set this up and then we'll show you exactly how it works. So at this point, in just a couple of minutes, this should start to glow, which would be the alarm that I set for 10 p.m. to display this for you. So now it's 9:30. It's slowly starting to glow, and then it will continue to glow until 10 p.m. when the alarm goes off, and it'll be brighter then. Look at that. See, it's already gotten brighter there, right, when I was recording. And so now you can see it's been about 10 minutes or 9 minutes, and it's much, much brighter to the point that by 10 o'clock, it'll be even brighter. So yeah, now it's even brighter as we are 10 minutes away from the actual alarm going off. So here is how bright it gets as you're 1 minute away. Well, now it's about to go off. Hear the birds? That is a great way to wake up over having just some loud, annoying alarm go off. And then it even gradually gets louder. There it goes, it's getting louder. That is the best way to wake up. Like, this is way better than a standard alarm clock. That is amazing. So thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.